Kita yung ulo ni Kulit. Diba? Ayos diba? Lagyan mo yung bag yun. Joyride Noah. Oh, the famous Bandai Rescue. Yung sa pinakataas, yun dyan. Tapos, pinutin mo 3 beses yung B. For the B. Yeah, that's just right.
How much robot? How much roadblock? How much road? How much roadblock?
What roadblocks?
How much tanks do they got? How much road blocks?
Sorry, test.
And that's a
Hindi, mali yung pwesto natin. Against sa flow ng traffic. Maganda to isang uploadan. Walking sa may Bandai. What? With lazy Noah. You want to walk, Noah? Eh, paro kami ng karawan na.
Power.
Of course. Sige, hit pa more. Mariwana na ata yan. Naka-con siya, naka-fade kaya hindi gaano makita kahit nasa harap. Naka-wide pala siya. Okay.
That's a straight smear.
What is that sound? Okay, 3 minutes na. Halfway na agad. Oh, I miss my scooter. Tingnan mo si Lolo, oh. Yung nagja-jogging na, oh. It's too big. Buti doon dumaan yung ulan. Buti doon dumaan yung ulan. Bandai. Wala, malayo. Hindi nyo yung nakikita. Oh, yes. Panis. North Bondi. Yes.
Yeah, I'll just fucking put some like, okay, fucking dog now. I'll just be fucking around, isn't it?
May nag-super saiyan eh. Nakakasamid. Nakakasamid yung kanilang amoy. Wait na eh. Sorry.
Daddy, this thing is fell by himself.
No, look, there's a rainbow. 2 rainbow.
Keep ano daw, keep 1.5 ano.
Nakita ko ngayon,
Sunset.
tawa ako nung nandun ako sa bus kanina. 1.5 meters daw. Wala na, hindi na masunod.
Parating na si Christy eh. March 5.
Sure. Ano naman? Sure na ba yun? Ah, nakabook na.
Tapos yung tatay niya, siyang Karwik,
Oh,
May 5. 2 months na siya.
ang awkward sa kanila yun. Tutuloy sila dun sa kabila. Alam mo yun?
Kasi alam ko kaya madali ni tita yung garage kasi doon sila.
Yun nga yun. Doon naman talaga sila.
Oh, nice. Meron pala doon ano. Wow. Pag kids ko sa EDN. Picture mo sila para yung sa ano.
Yeah, take ko siya mamaya.
Yun yung ano.
Tapos ko lang yung video hanggang doon. Oh, here comes the rain again.
It looks like you're working out there. Diyan ko sinawal sa rep.
Nakita ko saglit.